Vigilance Court rejects inquiry report in titanium corruption case, orders further investigation. Report had acquitted Chief Minister Oommen Chandy and Ministers Ramesh Chennithala and VK Ibrahim Kunju. Pradeep now joining us on the phone line for more on that. Pradeep, what are the details?
Well, the entire case relates to a pollution control and expansion project which was awarded to a company called Mecon way back in 2006. The opposition at that point in time had raised allegations of corruption, and some union leaders from the company itself, which is the Travancore Titanium Products Limited, a state-owned company at Thiruvananthapuram, had approached the Vigilance Court alleging corruption in showing undue haste without undertaking a financial or technical study. The entire issue became a public issue following mass agitation by locals against the Travancore Titanium Products because of the level of pollution that the company was shedding off and unloading polluted waste into the seashore. So there was a massive agitation against the pollution, and the Supreme Court panel had given notice to the company for closing down. Mr. Oommen Chandy, the Chief Minister, had then justified the awarding of the project, saying that every union leader had approached him asking for his intervention so as to save the company, which was facing closure following a Supreme Court panel order following, obviously, complaints of pollution. Now, this entire project cost rupees 256 crore, which eventually came under the vigilance scanner, and the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Bureau here had submitted one report to the Vigilance Court in which it said that the involvement of political leaders could not be established and the case should be closed, which was rejected by the Vigilance and Special Court here at Thiruvananthapuram. It has also ordered further investigation to find out if at all there was corruption and whether the state lost money. There was also justification from the ministers involved, saying that even by selling the equipment which is lying in the yet incomplete project, the loss could be made up. But there is no respite yet, as you said, to Chief Minister Oommen Chandy as well as his ministerial colleagues Ramesh Chennithala and Ibrahim Kunju, who incidentally was in charge of the Industries Ministry at that point in time, way back in 2006. Back to you.